Hello and welcome. In this official video we will show you how we can replace the nozzle deck assembly. The first step, we need to remove this head cover, and then we need to fix it, the proper stand. For this purpose we need 1.5 Allen key. Once we fix this the machine head on a proper space, see there is no moving, so we need 1.5 Allen key. Either it is electric or what. I have electric screwdriver, so you can see now we can do work fast. Gently like this. And at the end there is at the bottom we can see there is another screw for EHT. This is called extra high tension. So let's remove this one as well. So right now it is removed. So before doing this process, the machine must be off, because in this red wire there are 6,000 volts. So we need to turn off the machine. Here is the gasket. So now we can fix the gasket. You can see here, this is the gasket. Okay, the gasket is fixed. There are two types of gaskets. The one and second one is this one. So while fixing, please take care of this gasket. Okay, hope you like the video, and thank you.